Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 3 science teacher. Today, first of all, take out page number 33, and we are doing page 33, this topic, why are forests being cut and destroyed. Now, why are the forests cut? They are cut for, of course, taking the wood for burning and for furniture making, and the cutting or cleaning of forest or removal or cutting of trees is called deforestation. And deforestation is done to create more infrastructures like roads, and sometimes the forests are cut to make bridges, and they are also cut to create more land for industries, for agriculture, and for making houses. Deforestation, but deforestation causes many problems. The cutting of the trees and forest causes many problems because we get less rain. If we have less forest, we get less rains, and it also hinders wild animals, because wild animals need enough space for moving about in the forest, so they run to the cities and villages in search of food and shelter. Thirdly, if the forest is cut down, there is much danger of landslides because the roots of plants cannot hold the plant. Then we went to the next page, page number 35, and on page number 34. But if you do not cut forest, it will be very difficult to meet the needs of the humans, such as the place to live, food to eat, and but the best solution that how can we preserve the forest is to ensure that the forest can be cut, but the areas should not decrease, and the needs of the humans are also met. So now then we studied about how can we preserve or how can we protect the different forest. Now, in order to protect the forest, in order to protect the problems of deforestation, we have to take the few steps. The forest department should be strict and vigilant, and they should not allow the illegal cutting of the trees. And secondly, the people should also be well educated about the importance of forest. And thirdly, if any tree or any forest thing is cut down, on the same place there should be another plant should be planted. Fourthly, people living close by the forest, they should be forbidden to bring their cattle for grazing from the forest land, so that it doesn't remove the grasses. Fifthly, the people should not be allowed to throw the lit matches or burning wood into the forest, because it leads to forest fires, and when there is fire in the forest, it is not easy to control it. Then sixthly, we should try to maximize the recycling of papers, used papers or waste papers, so that we don't have to use the trees to make the papers. So these are the various things that are done to preserve the forest. This I have given in the question form. You have to do question number 4, chapter 3, same. How can we preserve forest? We can preserve forest by these things. This you will write it in your copies. This is your homework. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.